Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Clara Ambiciosa and my husband, Thomas. Ayan. Ayan guys, so mag-walking kami. Ayan. Mainit na dito guys, pero ang hangin, malamig pa. So, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya ang kung saan kami mag-walking. Ayan ang weather. Ayan ang weather guys. Oh my gosh, ang aking bata batuta. Oh, ayan guys. Ganda ng panahon today, kaya lumabas kami at mag-walking. Ayan. So, dyan kami sa may sentro guys. Ayan. So, sentro na kami. Ayan, yan ang sentro. Didya. So, basta Sunday gani didya sa may Norway, ang mga store is closed. Ang restaurant is open siya da? If Sunday?
Yes,
Some. Ang iban close.
depends on the restaurant.
Yeah.
Most restaurants, yes.
Mostly. So, ya guys.
Gas stations.
Ang iban sa balay lang, pero kadya nga mainit ang mga tao, kadya gaguruwa kay balaan nyo naman nga basta piraman ka 6 months siya da is winter here, yeah? More 6 months de
7, 8 maybe?
7 or 8, something like that.
Depends.
Oo,
This year it's only
depende.
been 6 because the winter was small. Only 5 months, I think.
Yan. O diba may ano pa dito.
Bad winter.
Amura digya guys, kaya ang mga taho naga-walking. Amura, kita nyo to, mga taho. Kita nyo to. Ayan, mga taho dyan. Yan. Ga-walking sanda guys. Kaya nami ang panahon. So, dyan na kami guys. Dito ang mag-grocery ka. Tapos, ariran niya. Amo yung mga vlog. Tapos, ayan Fountain. Kanami. Ilang.
Jump and swim.
No. Ramig guys. Ramig dyan ra. Pati ka mo kay Thomas. Pa-jump na kuno ko. Nami ang panahon guys. Yan. Shirkiness. Ay makita nyo ang Shirkiness. Velkommen til Shirkiness. Welcome to Shirkiness. Yan. Mga kotse. Nan. Diyan kami mag-park. Nami no? Nami gid. Kag magpano kami. Paadto dito sa ospital, Tsaka kami maagi, paadto dito sa ospital.
Vlog.
Vlog.
You have to go after the water. I'm not here. Walk out there.
Okay. Ayan guys. Tingnan nyo guys, may upuan pa. Kurongkuan. Kung maano dya, kung mas no, ga-ice dikya. Dan, perti ka limpyo. Perti ka limpyo, gid. Dan, di ba? May picture kami ni Thomas dyan mo last year. Agay! Lo! Gaumba-umba. Ramig ang hangin. Biskan init. Ramig kita na. Di ba? Ang ganda. Di ba? Balik rin ta guys. Kay mapano pa kami. Nan. Oh yeah. Kanami gid. Kanami kita narabay.
Took off her hat.
Yeah.
Is it just using it?
Sauna. May sauna pala sila dyan guys. Oh, this one? Sauna festival.
In the winter they will cut a hole in the ice, swim,
And
and then they go into the sun.
sauna. Last time guys, dito rin kami last time. May vlog din ako nito last time. What's that? You sprek.
What do you call it? It's a tourist hut, basically,
Tourist.
for the hunting and fishing society.
Oh, okay. Hello, what's that? Chada in the road, Chada?
Huh?
Cat?
It's a mountain lion.
Huh? Mountain lion. What's that?
I don't know.
Blurred na gid mata ko, guys.
It is. Oh, now I see what it is. It's a badger.
Badger? Asa?
Yeah,
Ayan na.
they're highly aggressive.
Ano raman? What's that ba?
It's a badger.
Badger.
Careful, they are highly aggressive.
Badger. I zoom, you know. Oh, idag. 26.
Today,
Today.
26 has bicycles.
Yeah.
This
Makita
year,
mo kung sino.
4,707 so far this year.
This year? Only for ano?
4,000. To be this place where it's so few people living. It's a lot.
Oh my god, it's warm already.
What is that? Is it an animal? No, it's not an
No.
animal.
I think
It's a
no.
rock
It's a rock.
or something. I don't know.
Oh my god, kita. Ay, ambot si mo, Thomas. Kita mo lang, gid. It's warm, oy. It's hot na siya, da. Mainit na. Para nagapanaw. Mainit na, guys. Yan o, may nagabike, oh. Mga bata.
You see, that was an e-bike.
Is that a bike? Nay.
It was?
Kita mo lang, gid, Thomas. Natulod-tulod.
This building, you know what it is?
Museum.
Yeah.
Ayang museum, guys. Init rin. Okay. Rock gali.
Probably to avoid.
One of the bunker in the Norway. Ito. Maraming bunker ang Norway, guys. Hindi ko na-upload kasi yung isa. Yung dyan. Kung may gira, pwede ka dyan. Duro sanda bunker di dyan, guys. Taguan. Kung mag-war. Hindi ko pina-upload tong iban. Nakita ko mga bunker. Durong bunker ang Sherkines, guys. So, di ba? Ayun, may mga bicycle. Dara ang mga ayam. Magagmay-gagmay nga mga bata dyan. Bike. Nami ta na di dyan. Nami abi ang panahon ka dyan. Ayan, museum. Gagmay ang bata. Pero kita na. Hindi ko makatag-video lang, guys, kay balaan nyo naman. Nami ang panahon, oh. It's very, very. Ayan, guys, oh. Nami. Ano dyan raman?
Want to go down there?
Nay, it's okay, oy.
We can.
Nay, I don't want.
It's fine.
It's okay, that's fine.
Come on, we go.
Ha?
We go down there.
Matukuno kami, Thomas. I-check naman kung ano, gid. Hala, what's that, Chada? I'm curious. Be careful, ha? Be careful. Ayan, guys, eh. Ito na naman. There is berry here, Shada. There is berry. Here, blueberry. Nice.
Not yet. It's too early.
I mean here, by this area. Yeah. If there's berry season.
August, September, maybe.
Lapit na lang ang berry season.
You see? Here it will become blueberry.
Ah, this one. Oh, magiging blueberry siya. Ang guys, rang may pula-pula. May kung makita nyo sa video. Rang mga pula. May dyan, manggali. Di dyan, area. Ano kaya iyan? Nami ay...
You have to cut some of your filming. Instead of using that pencil.
Nay, they won't see. Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh, wow. Ano to? Gamme. Gamme. Tingnan nga natin kung ano to. Ay. Ay.
We have to go back because it's too much insects there and I didn't think the...
Ah, okay. Ah, there's a, ano, so you can sleep here, I think. You can sleep here. Wow, ganda. Oh, pwede ka mag-swimming. Swimming. Oh, ayan. There's insect, Shada, I think. We go.
It is not there.
Amo gali dati, guys. Oh. Oh, di ba? Tapos since 2005 kahoy. Oh, di ba? Amo gali ra. Ayun na, may nagka bike. Oh, ramig na naman. Hangin. Nami kita na sang ano panahon. Ayan. Malapit na kami sa ospital. Oh. Ayan ang ospital, guys. Dito kami nagadaan. Ayan ang car. Ayan ang ospital. Dito is walking area. Ayan. You said, Chada, there's kindergarten here, yeah? Ito, may kindergarten dyan. Ayan. Hello.
Hello.
Naman nga, kapitbahay naman. Ara, tana. Ayan. Diyan, oh. Nagapadudos. Anda dyan sa snow. Yan. Yan. Patatos. May gym. There's gym, Shada. There, gym. Nay.
He's okay.
Ah,
You can wait there inside there.
oh, he's very fast to walk with.
I think he's hiking.
Yeah.
This is a hiking trail up there.
Ah, okay.
You follow those trails there.
There.
It's the ski trails. You can walk across all over them.
Nami siya kung kasno. Mga bata gampang. Ayan guys, dito na kami sa hospital. Sunday today. Yan. Remember ko before. Shada, I remember before ba? That Sunday also that we went here. Yeah. For birth. Yeah, Sunday. And then I gave birth Monday. Monday morning. Ha?
Yeah, that's correct. I remember now.
Gamay kita na taho dyan. Is that apple? This one? Nay. Baguan the hospital. Nami gidya guys as in ang hospital. Ura ko pa na-upload tong ano ko kang gay birth ko ba? Tong pagbata. Ayan. Anda nga parking lot. Tapos dito pa sa isa may parking lot dito. Parking.
I took off that one immediately.
Yeah, parking lot ka motor.
So
Bikes.
in that makes me go.
Yeah. She's complaining.
Yeah, but so she won't complain if she got sun in that face.
Complain ang baby naman. Kaya gipataas ito mas ang ano.
She won't push the way she wants.
Ara. Sige na padalam ko kay para makita na ang clouds, trees. Kaya dyan ay ipos raman. Madto kami sa ospital mangihi. Na mainit na. Tahimik ang ospital.
It's funny, she looks at me when I take it down, but when I take it up, she stopped looking at me and complaining. Why don't you just continue looking at me? You don't...
Ayan guys. Pato na kami dyan sa entrance. Tapos, okay. Ayan guys. Oh. Dito na kami sa ospital. Oh. Oh, napaka-beautiful talaga guys. Diba? Oh. Kapag mag-duty ka dito guys, linggo. Kapag mag-duty ka dito guys, linggo. Tiba-tiba kagid guys. Ayan, tiba-tiba kagid.
You get the sun in here.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, dito na kami. Umuwi ang entrance. Ay, this one, the statue. Huh? Yeah, of course. Oops. Si Thomas. Ay, sorry. Oh, diba? Basta Domingo lagi, guys. Gamay-gamay. Ha? Yeah. Ma-CR ako. Nag-walking kay para. Ay. Kape. Anda nga si RJ guys. Yan. Yan. Limpyo naman si Arnanda. Ianay ko. Ayun guys. Hanggang doon. Tapos nag-git kita, nag-CR. Thomas. Mamaya tidya. Di ba? Reklamo rin ang bata batuta. She want dada?
I don't know. I don't get dead here. She's not hungry. She's
Okay.
bored.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. Go, go, Shada. Come! Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng umaga. Bale, alas 12 rin nga, guys.
When we go back, she won't be happy.
Yeah.
Because I have to take up this one when we go back. Because otherwise she gets sun in her face and she will be complaining.
Mm-mm.
We go back.
Go back, back, back. Ah. May heater ya, guys. Hasta dyan, oh. Heater. Hasta doon. Para hindi mag-slide pag mag-snow. Diyan may waiting kang bus. Ayan. Pigaagigid ang bus digya. Biskan wat nagasakay. Complain na naman siya.
We will complain on the whole way back.
Lang ya, walking lang kami. Para makapoy. Kay, para makalanghap man kami kang sariwa nga hangin. Perminti lang kami kurong. Guwa-guwa man pag may time. Oh, ang sarap ng hangin. Nami kita na. So, ayan guys. Dito na kami. Uwi na kami guys. Ang aming baby girl is nag-sleep. Dito na kami. Ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Ayan ang cute-cute na bike ko. Yeah. Diba? Bye guys.